Hello? Hi, over here. Yeah, I know that fires are magical and mesmerizing, but yeah, there's nothing better than a campfire in the summer. And what do we do at campfires? Well, we make s'mores. At least we do here in Canada. S'mores, as far as we know, is a contraction between some and more. We get s'mores. We don't really know the origin, but what we do know is they're delicious. So, let's get to cooking some s'mores. S'mores are perfect in their simplicity. 3 elements only. Graham crackers. And for your graham crackers, you could make your own if you're brave. I'm not that brave. Or find something that might be helpful to you. Don't go with those no-name, unknown brands. Those taste like cardboard. Instead, find one that you know that's reliable and you like the taste of. Next, we need chocolate. Milk or dark, it's your choice. As long as it's thin and can come in some sort of small rectangular square so it's easy to melt. I'll talk about which is better for which application in a little bit. And finally, marshmallows. Now this one, yes, you can go find the store-bought round tubular things, but you should make your own. I'm not going to do that in this video because it's a little more complicated. Stay tuned, we'll have a footnotes on that one. A perfect marshmallow is going to take you to a new level. So let me show you how to roast this sucker. Make sure that you pick a roasting stick that you know is reliable. I like this little articulating piece here. It's sturdy and it's easy to turn. Take your marshmallow and secure it across the tines. Make sure that you push it down so that it's beyond the tips there, so that as it expands and starts to melt, it's not going to fall off. Now, our fire over here needs to make sure that we've got some good red hot coals going on. We don't want a flaming fire because we don't want to catch this thing on fire. Now, a note about safety for a moment. If this thing catches on fire and you find yourself with some molten lava or napalm on your hands, do not, under any circumstances, wave it around. We need to blow to extinguish the fire. Waving will cause that to fly as a weapon through the air, so it might hit you or somebody else. Blow, no wave. So when I go to roast my marshmallow, I'm going to attack the flames from a side. Don't go straight on. You're going to burn the end of your marshmallow. We want to do it from the side to roast. And if we need to at the end, we can finish off there. I'm going to slowly turn and watch that marshmallow. If I see it starting to sizzle, then I'm going to back off some. You got to figure out where your heat source is. If you're using a homemade marshmallow, it will toast faster than the commercial brands will. Be patient and you will be rewarded. Every now and then you want to have a look at it. See how I'm starting to toast on the end there? I'm going to attack at more of an angle so that I can get the sides better roasted. Nice and low. We're looking for brown, not black. Now it's starting to come. You got to make some quick decision making here and decide when to pull it. Too early and you don't get golden brown. Too late and you might not be pulling it out at all and you'll find it burning up in the fire. I like that. I'm going to check the end. It looks well cooked as well. So I'm pulling my marshmallow. If you choose milk chocolate for the chocolate portion of your s'more, you can put it directly on your graham cracker and then add your marshmallow on top of that. Milk chocolate melts a lot faster than dark chocolate, so your marshmallow should provide enough heat to get some melting going on there. Pinch and carefully pull away, and now you've got a s'more to enjoy. Oh yeah. More of a dark chocolate kind of person? Well, try this. Before stabbing your marshmallow, take a sharp knife and create an incision right down the middle. Make sure you get all the way through the marshmallow. Then find your piece of thin dark chocolate and insert it right through the middle. Make sure it gets evenly through both sides so it doesn't slip out while you're cooking the marshmallow. Then insert on the tines as before, being sure to avoid that piece of dark chocolate and keep it in the middle. Here we go to roast. Now, why am I inserting the chocolate this time? Well, as I mentioned earlier, dark chocolate is slower to melt than milk chocolate. So if I were to take my roasted marshmallow and just stick it on top of my dark chocolate on my graham crackers when I'm done, I'm going to have this beautifully gooey, hot piece of marshmallow on top of a hard, dark slab of chocolate. It just doesn't work all that well. So by adding my chocolate to the roasting process, I'm ensuring that it will end up melted the same way as my marshmallow when I'm done. I can see the browning coming now, and I'm just about at the time that I want to pull it. There we go. Ooh, smoke in the eye. Now, take your marshmallow and pinch it between your two pieces of graham cracker just as before. And here we have our beautiful s'more. Don't be afraid to experiment with your s'mores. Burn some. Get them wrong. Eventually, you'll get it right. This one, graham cracker, cinnamon marshmallow, raspberry dark chocolate. Always delicious.